Breaking: ChatGPT's knowledge cutoff just updated to April 2023. This guy made an Angry Birds game with ChatGPT and MidJourney, and he never even knew how to code. Scarlett Johansson hits AI app with legal action for cloning her voice in an ad. Instagram was spotted creating an AI friend. All of these 3D objects were created by AI. Breaking: ChatGPT's knowledge cutoff just updated to April 2023. As you can see, what is your knowledge cutoff date? Done October 26th. My knowledge cutoff date is now April 2023. He then asked to list 10 recent catastrophes that has happened after 2022, and it was able to do every single one. So ChatGPT is becoming more up to date. It suggested I update my jokes because they're still stuck in 2015. This guy made an Angry Birds game with ChatGPT and MidJourney, and he never even knew how to code. Look, Javis on Twitter says MidJourney, DALL-E 3, and GPT-4 has opened a world of endless possibilities. I just coded angry pumpkins. Any resemblance is just purely coincidental. Using GPT-4 for all the coding and MidJourney DALL-E for the graphics. Here are the prompts and the process I followed. First of all, if you would like to play the game, he actually has a link. I'll leave a link in the description. He's introducing it, saying that it genuinely blow him away, and he truly believes it's a historic moment that we've only seen in sci-fi movies. He starts with the graphics where he has like a title screen, background, characters, objects, as you can see here. Then we move to the programming that has around 600 lines, which I haven't written any of this. But he started with something simple, and from there, you just keep asking for more and more things and just fixing things when it goes wrong. And that's it. Happy Halloween. All of these 3D objects were created by AI. Stability AI just unlocked a new set of tools for us. The first one being 3D content creation. This task is often really time consuming, but now with Stable 3D, an automatic process to generate concept quality textured 3D objects eliminates much of that complexity and allows a non-expert to generate a draft quality 3D model in minutes by selecting an image or illustration or writing a text prompt. The object will be delivered as an OBJ file that can then move into Blender or Maya or even game engines like Unreal Engine or Unity. Here's the top of the week from the ChatGPT subreddit. Here's how to remove vocals from any song in less than 60 seconds. Just go to EaseUS and search for their vocal remover. Click get started for free. So I can make an acapella for you or karaoke song. I'm gonna use this song.
Hey. Next to rock like Mick Foley, it's Nick Joby killing.
Can we remove the vocals? I'll just drag it right in here. Now AI is processing, and this is what we got. As you can see in the top, we have the original, then we have the music, and then we have the vocal. Let's just listen to the music real quick. No vocals at all. And then let's click on the vocal.
Next to rock like Mick Foley, it's Nick Joby, kill him softly, play that shit slowly.
Just like that, I can just click on download, and I got all the files. So check out the vocal remover by clicking the link in the description down below. Thank you so much to EaseUS for sponsoring this section of the video. Here's the top of the week from the ChatGPT subreddit. If you want to go to the market, but you don't want to walk, take your robot dog with you. Super simple. This is so surreal. We replaced horses with robots. Adam Savage from Mythbusters built a rickshaw pulled by Boston Dynamics robot Spot, the one that can now speak using ChatGPT. Man, I love Adam Savage. I think the next thing should be like one robot dog per foot maybe, and just somebody standing like this. Imagine we just skipped cars and went straight to this. Just rubbing it in Amish people's faces now, huh? He asked ChatGPT for the most boring image ever and then reiterated. This is the first image, the second image, and it just gets more and more boring. I mean, this is pretty cool. A sphere with some sort of sauna type. Now it's getting more shiny. Whoa. Now it's like underwater with the skies above. Damn. It just gets better and better. I don't know. This is not boring. Okay, we're now in space. We get a little laser beam on the Earth. Okay, we got more coming. Some galaxies and neural networks. We got the moon in there as well. And now we're going further away, spiraling through space with these foggy clouds. And we end up at this image. That was pretty boring. This guy asked ChatGPT to generate an image of the most beautiful woman to ever live and then iterated it 20 times. This is the starting image. We get maybe more Asian. Then all of a sudden into fantasy land, even more away from reality here. You get this glitter and these kind of leaves, this beautiful blue color, some gold glitter. Now she's laying in the sand. Now she just purely is gold. This one looks, I don't know. Is this beauty at this point? It seems like a commercial for some sort of luxury fashion brand. There we go. This is a skincare commercial. This is a fairy and this is number 17. This is number 18. We just lost beauty right here. This is number 19. And this is 20. If this is beauty, then my morning face gotta be a masterpiece. Scarlett Johansson hits AI app with legal action for cloning her voice in an ad. The ad was for an AI image editor called Lisa AI, 90s yearbook and avatar, and featured an AI generated version of Johansson's voice.
What's up guys, it's Scarlett and I want you to come with me to the premiere of Black Widow.
And then it transitions away from that to the actress's voice that was stating, it's not limited to avatars only. You can also create images with text and even your AI videos. I think you shouldn't miss it. Her attorney has now come out and said that we don't take these things lightly. We will deal with all legal remedies that we will have. Her attorney has now come out saying we do not take these things lightly. We will deal with it with all legal remedies that we will have. We've seen cases like this where somebody uses Drake's voice in a song, that gets taken down, and Tom Hanks as an AI version promoting some dental plan. Instagram was spotted creating an AI friend. According to screenshots shared by the app researcher Alessandro Palusi, users would be able to chat with the AI to answer questions or talk through challenges, brainstorm ideas, and much more. While creating the avatar, you could select the gender of who you want it to be, as well as pick an ethnicity. And then you can select up to 2 personality traits like reserved, enthusiastic, creative, witty, pragmatic, or empowering. Then you determine which interest your custom AI has, like for example, DIY or entertainment, funny. You even select the AI avatar you want, name your avatar, and you have your new friend. But one of the biggest, if not the biggest problem with the way we are using generative AI today is that we are fooled into thinking that we are interacting with another human. We're fooled into thinking that the other person at the end of the line is connecting with us, that it has empathy. We open up to it and leave ourselves vulnerable to being manipulated or disappointed. This is one of the distinct dangers of AI. Quora's chatbot is now paying creators. When you think creator, maybe you think YouTuber or TikToker, Instagram or whatever. This new creator program will pay you to program a chatbot. They're paying bot creators for their effort, including those who generate prompt bots on Poe itself, as well as server bots created by developers who can integrate their bots with Poe AI. There are 2 ways for a creator to monetize. First, if a chatbot leads a person to subscribe to Poe, you will get a cut for doing so. The second way will be to set a limit of your Quora bot so you get paid every message. Currently, it's only open to the US and it pays up to $20 per user who subscribes. I think it's an amazing idea and I can't wait for somebody to get paid out like $5,000 a month by creating a chatbot. AI can diagnose type 2 diabetes in 10 seconds of your voice. Look, researchers involved in a recent study trained an AI to diagnose type 2 diabetes in patients after 6 to 10 seconds of listening to their voice. It can recognize 14 vocal differences in the voice of someone with type 2 diabetes compared to someone without diabetes. So I can just say, dude, you sound like you have diabetes. The researchers believe that the AI model will drastically lower the cost for people with diabetes to be diagnosed. He's saying that the current methods of detection can require a lot of time, travel, and cost, Voice technology has the potential to remove these barriers entirely. It got tested in 79 women and 113 men, where all participants recorded a phrase 6 times per day for 2 weeks, resulting in a total of 18,000 recordings. And from those 14 acoustic differences, they made out who has type 2 diabetes. I don't know what to say. That's a lot better than seeing if your piss is sweet. Here's a 2-word ChatGPT prompt hack. The old way of prompting can look like this. Give me advice on anything or ask any question, let's say investing, but the answer will be just pretty standard. Therefore, put this one in here. I have 30 years of experience. The new list is completely different than the beginner's list. Before we had start early and diversify your portfolio. After we have tax efficiency and global diversification. If you like this AI news, like this video. Also check out our lovely sponsors in the description down below. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace.